Shakera, Shakera.
I just wanna dance and feel good. Yeah, I feel good.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Shakera and I'm back with another makeup look. And I did this bomb ass makeup look. It's like a tornado halo kind of eye, and I added some glitter and I'm fucking obsessed. And if you want to see how I created it, then keep on watching. And also, I want to know why majority of the people who watches my video aren't subscribed to my channel. Like, what's up? Like, do we got problems? Do we have beef? Like, do you want to fight? Like, let me know. It's free 99 to subscribe to my channel. No subscription. It's very quick, easy, simple. Just go below, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, just turn that post notification on so you'll be notified every time I upload. And I just want you guys to be a part of the family. That's all, you know, like no problems, no beef, like we good over here. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my lid using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Ginger, and I'm using this Bobbi Brown brush to blend it out nicely. So for transition color, I'm gonna use Burnt Orange from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just gonna pop this right above my crease. So I know I've been MIA for a while, and I just took time off because it was my birthday. My birthday was March 14th, if you guys didn't know. And I just wanted a break from YouTube because it can be very overwhelming sometimes. So yeah, I took a birthday break. And then after my birthday, I tried to film, but I wasn't feeling it because I don't have the energy to, you know, I'm just not motivated to like make videos. And I'm trying my hardest. I watch motivational speech and stuff like that, and I don't know, like I think I'm kind of being too hard on myself sometimes, but hopefully I could be more consistent on YouTube. And then I'm sick of the YouTube drama. Like every time I come on YouTube, like since I've been off YouTube, I hardly watch YouTube videos, and when I do watch videos, it's like it's always drama, like, and I don't have time for that. Like I've been using the Soft Glam palette a lot lately. Like I think I like this better than the Modern Renaissance palette. Like, can you believe that? Like this palette is so bomb, like you need it in your life, like for real, for real. So from the same palette, I'm using Cypress Amber directly in my crease, and I'm gonna bring it down on the outer corners of my lid and also the inner corners of my lid. So I'm going in with a cleaner brush to blend out harsh lines, and I love doing circular motions. So I'm gonna apply Noor on the inner corner and outer corner of my lid, and I'm just using a pencil brush to pat this on, and then I'm gonna go in with a different brush to blend it out. So I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of Cypress Umber on the brush and blend out those harsh lines. So I'm gonna go in and carve out my halo, and I like to put the product down on my lid, then look up, and wherever the product transferred, that's where I start cutting. I'm just gonna go ahead and set that concealer. So I'm gonna use the yellow eyeshadow from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm just gonna spray my shader brush, and this is gonna help intensify that eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go back in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna blend this into the yellow so it could eliminate all the harsh lines. I'm gonna add some glitter at the top of my halo, and I'm just gonna apply the NYX glitter primer. And the glitter I'm using is from Shopware Beauty, and it's in Goddess. So I'm just gonna smudge the black eyeshadow on my lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my all-time favorite mascara, and you guys already know, like, it's the Benefit Bad Gal Bag mascara. Like, Benefit needs to sponsor me, you know. Like, I've been promoting this mascara everywhere. Like, they need to put me on their PR list, because this mascara is fucking bomb. Like, you need this in your life. And ever since I got it, all my other mascaras that I haven't touched them. Like, I wore this mascara to work one time, and everybody was asking, like, oh my god, do you have lashes on? No sis, mascara. So I'm gonna move on to the lips, and I'm using a NARS lip pencil in Spunk. Like, you guys are probably tired of seeing this brown lipstick, but I mean brown lip liner. I'm just gonna put NYX matte lip cream in Stockholm in the center. Thank you all so much for watching. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on post notification on so you'll be notified every time I upload, and I'll see you in my next one.